Brother Sid didn't even talk to his friend. He left without seeing Sid. But I really liked his friend Aditya. You know, Shri, I love long drives.
Hey Shri,
Hmm.
what is Mithai doing outside Sister Tosha's room? Come on. Let's see.
Mithai,
Yes,
what are you doing here?
I brought soup for both of them. Actually, you were outside, so I had to come here. Please take this, give it to them.
Okay.
I know you are not paying a heed. You think that you know yourself very well. You don't know yourself. I do, okay? You are very soft from the inside. You like people appreciating you. And as you took Mithai there, as your wife, everyone in this house, aunt, your brother, your sister, everyone is praising you, and which you relish. Any idea what will be the next steps? They'll expect you will accept her as your wife, and you will exactly do so. Your family is going to ruin your life, Sid. I'm really very sorry, Sid. I couldn't help myself. I had to say this. This family of yours is suffocating you, right? But what changed now? Why don't you understand that you are monkey dancing by them?
Sorry, Tosha. Sorry for my intrusion here. Soup for you and Siddharth. The family which he thinks is suffocating him, that same family is sending him food as well. And the girl who's apparently ruining his life, that girl, even after listening to all the insults, has brought food for you.
Shri! Why are you being rude to Tess, huh? Tess is my friend and also a guest. Have you forgotten your manners? Tell me!
Yes, I had to. It's because your manners make you listen to this quietly. That's why I have to forget my manners. I did not expect this from you, Siddharth. Your friend is insulting your family and you are not telling her anything. Shame on you. You've fallen so much.
Shri, let's leave. Let's leave, Shri.
Wait, Sandy. Wait. I want to see how we are making him dance like a monkey and how is that creating problem in his life. Let us see.
Did she say anything wrong? We both were talking here and you guys were listening from outside, really? Is this right? Tell me. I feel suffocated in this house. Can you deny that there's no privacy in this house? I just can't take this anymore.
Sid, please, don't lash out on Shri.
I'm not lashing out, Tess. I am not. But I do not allow people into my private life. I don't want eavesdropping over here at all. Do you guys understand that? One can demand a private space and I want that. I'll take that overseas posting. I'll convince Grandpa anyhow, no matter what. I'm done with this everyday drama.
Sister Shri. Sister, please come with me. Do you want more of this? Grandfather will be surely sick again if he learns about all this. Grandmother will suffer again in silence. Let's go, Shri. Let's go. Wait here a bit. Come with me, come.
Mithai? Why did you shut the door? Tell me.
So what? They want to talk in private. He got angry because you stepped in.
I can't believe this. Are you not getting it? Can't you understand? Come here.
What happened?
Come here with me.
Sister Shri, wait.
Just look at her, Sid. She has won over everyone as a daughter-in-law. I can bet on anything, Sid. She didn't take today's thing as a drama. It's a first step towards being your life partner. Knock me if I'm proved wrong.
I need to tell you something seriously, Mithai. Please sit here.
But Sister Shri, I have lots of work down there. Dinner preparations.
Leave that. We are anyway not hungry. Sandy, please explain Mithai that she has a right over Sid, and her rights are more than that of Tosha.
Yes, Mithai. Look, when Nipa will get married to Ratul, she will have all her rights over him. Look, Mithai, you are Siddharth's legal wife, okay? You have all the rights over him.
It's because you keep quiet. That's why Tosha is doing all this. See, because Aunt Sushmita was very strict, that's why Sid had to honor you as a wife. You will also have to be strict if you want to preserve the honor, Mithai.
Look, Mithai, whatever we did today, going over Rajiv's place and meeting his mother, whatever we did, whatever we said, all those, I mean,
Everything was false. Sister Shri, everything is not everyone's cup of tea. What will I achieve by becoming strict? Will Mr. Bittergaard accept me as his wife? Can you forcibly achieve everything? It's not possible. Now just look at our sister Nipa here. Brother Ratul loves her so much, we all know about it. So Sister Nipa will have her rights. But when it comes to me, this rule doesn't apply.
Shri? What's the matter? Grandma wants you down for dinner. Let's go.
I'm not hungry, Brother Shom. You need to hear what just happened.
Hey, Sandy. What's the matter? She's so angry. I'm angry too, Brother Shom. But Nipa never gets angry. She's just bothered about her selfies.
What did you say?
Hey, why are you fighting again?
See,
Relax.
Brother Som, only because I can't express like them doesn't mean I'm not upset.
I'm not getting anything. Tell me the details. What's there to say? Sid says he feels suffocated here. He wants to leave the country. And he also says that we interfere in his life. And he says that till the time Mithai is in this house. So he decided to leave this country and shift overseas. And he is going to convince Grandpa about this.
And Brother Sid said that we are responsible for this. He means Mithai and us. And he's saying all this because Torsha is provoking him.
Hey, why are you people getting so angry? Why should we take his words so seriously? He gets angry on things. What's Tosha's fault here? Maybe she took it in a wrong way and showed concern as a friend. Leave all this and go downstairs. Grandma is calling. I must go to my room, okay? I was going through the accounts. It seems that we are in a huge loss this month. I need to check the papers again. And Mithai, would you please ask Lakshmi's mom to send the dinner to my room? Thank you.
You guys, go and have dinner. I'm not hungry.
Why won't you eat? You refused the ice cream Aditya Agarwal offered to you.
Yes, I did refuse because I did not like roaming with him, Nipa.
Sister Shri, I'll fetch some milk for you. You cannot call in a night an empty stomach. All of you, please come with me. You people love mithai too much. That is what's causing problems. And the problem is those who love mithai, they get into troubles. The Lord wrote my destiny that way. Can't you see? My mother and grandfather are suffering because they love me too much. What would I do? The Lord don't understand that mithai cannot let anyone stuck in any problems. It's truly a very big problem. Please come downstairs for dinner. I'm going.
No, Shri. You must agree with me. There is a spirit in mithai. Let it be. Nipa, I'm going for dinner. Follow me.
Shri, what did you say earlier? You didn't like Aditya Agarwal's car?
Nipa, of course I liked the car. But I didn't like going for a long drive with a stranger. He's very weird and creepy.
But you know, Shri, he owns 5 cars. Can you imagine? Oh my. If I could take selfies with each one of those cars, I could take the social media into storm.
Will you stop talking nonsense, Nipa? Even after looking at Mithai's situation, you only care for your selfies. Go downstairs and have dinner.
You two are lashing out on me. I'm leaving.
Song. How come this song is audible now? No one is singing. Mithai, you are losing your mind. You are losing your mind, I'm saying. If Mr. Bitterguard gets to know this, he will call me mad. Again, he will insult me. No. No, Mithai. Just go and sleep now. Go right now. Oof. Oh, good. She drank it.
I didn't say a word, still you are nervous.
I'm not
Hey,
nervous
watch
at
out, watch out!
all. Oh, Lord. Lord, please help. What's happening to me, oh Lord? No one is singing. Still, I am listening to the song. What do you want, oh Lord? So mysterious. Oh, I should take this glass downstairs, or it might break. Like he said, I have no control on my limbs.
Tess was absolutely right. This girl didn't take today's false act as false at all.
Mithai! Mithai, where are you?
Why are you yelling early in the morning? Maybe she's sleeping. Why
What
are you
happened? Tell
shouting
me.
this way? Tell me what's the matter.
Mithai never sleeps this late, you know it. The front door was open, can't you see? Mithai!
Don't shout.
I'm here. I was doing the ideal. I'll get the tea.
No,
What?
wait over here. Let me hug you first.
Mithai, you've made the impossible possible. But our Sid is no less. What do you say, Appa?
Aunt, you're already here.
Good morning, Siddharth.
Good morning.
Your aunt was so happy that she wanted to come here last night. So, is Nipa happy now?
I think so. I need to go to the study.
Hey Sid, what's the matter with you? Nipa's wedding has got fixed. Engagement date will be fixed soon as well. And you're not excited? See that? Okay, tell me, what do you want to eat? I'll give you a treat.
What are you talking about? Has he learned to eat at all? Prepare very carefully, understand? And make some green tea.
Exactly, Grandpa. I'll have green tea
Yes.
only. Can you please get a glass of warm water? Actually, it's over in my room.
Sure. Would you all like to have some
Of
tea?
course. Make some ginger tea,
Okay.
please. Come, brother.
Yes,
let's
yes.
sit.
Come.
Sit.
Come, sit.
Hey, Mithai, where's Lakshmi's mom?
Aunt, she must be here any minute. Here she comes.
Aunt, I will have to go to my village for a few days.
Why is that?
Why suddenly? Is everyone okay at home?
Yes, everything is good. Actually, my nephew is getting married. I will only have to supervise everything. Besides,
Besides what?
my husband was saying that now onwards we will work only in our village. We have a small shop there. He wants to run that again. Running a shop in the village? I'm not getting you at all. You mean you are going to leave this job?
Oh my, how can that be possible? You have been working here for so long.
Aunt, we are planning to run the shop together. Actually, I have worked for others for so long. Now I want to work independently. Otherwise, why would one leave this place? Right, Mithai? You can understand what I'm saying, right?
Yes, Aunt. I understand. Owning a shop gives us a different kind of happiness. Grandmother, please let her go.
What do you mean? How is that possible, Mithai? No, Lakshmi's mom. If you have to go, then you have to find us a replacement first, hand over the duties, and then you can go. You know that in a few days, Nipa's engagement will happen. I'm sorry. What?
Let me talk, please. I'll take care of all the chores. Mithai is never afraid of chores at all. I'll take care of Sister Nipa's engagement. You don't worry.
Absolutely right. Why are you worried, Sulata? Have you forgotten that we have this great Mithai with us, right?
Aunt, please pack your bags. I'll manage everything. Don't you worry.
Okay, then, may I leave? Mithai, thank you. Oh, my lord, thank you. Hey, who asked you to give her the permission? Why can't you get it? There are so many chores to be done, and how will you manage all the chores alone?
Yes.
Hey, Sulata, why will she alone? I am here, you are there. Together we will help Mithai. I will speak to Babulal today. I'll ask him to find a maid.
Mom, what are you saying? Don't say all this. Sulata will get a panic attack. What kind of work is she going to do now? Tell me.
Amresh, you're so notorious. Why do you pull her leg so often? You always keep poking her. And Sulata, why are you so worried? I'm here. Don't worry. I will help you in everything.
Aunt Sulata, please don't worry. I will manage everything. And see, my business is anyway closed now. Grandfather, when would I open my own shop?
Hey, she's revved up again.
Rightly said, Amu. But no, I won't talk about the business now.
Give it to me.
Listen, studies should be the priority. Okay? Dad, Sushmita called me yesterday. And she said Mithai should pass the school level exam first. Siddharth, what do you say?
Why are you getting me involved in such things?
What do you mean? Who would say other than you? Dad, please say something.
Of course, Siddharth should say. Now he has taken the Mithai's responsibility. He would better decide business or studies. Hello, what are you doing there? Please come this side. They'll prepare green tea for you. Papa, go fetch his tea.
Okay. Come.
Grandpa, why are you getting me involved in such things? Look, I took Mithai to Rajiv's house for a very special reason, and you all are aware about that. And Grandpa, if you think that I've shifted from my standpoint, then you all are absolutely wrong about it. I'm sorry I had to make things clear in this manner. What are you doing? There's no need for you to prepare my tea. I can do it myself. Suddenly, why are you preparing tea for me today?
Grandfather said, I don't even like to prepare that bitter tea otherwise.
Dad, I was thinking that we must pay a visit to Animesh. We need to fix the date as soon as possible.
Shom, I want to know one thing from you. Why didn't you pay heed that sale has dropped to half in 3 months?
Grandpa, I must tell you something.
Keep quiet! What is your excuse now? What do you have to say? Amarish, in the last 3 months, sale has dropped to half in 2 outlets. And who will find the reason? Shom, right?
Why should I only do this? Others are there as well. Tell me, Uncle Amresh, am I responsible for everything and they are just going to boss around?
What did you say? How dare you say all this? Scoundrel! I'll slap!